Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix notification is not popping up into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve this issue, just simply open your settings application and into there you will get this notification setting. Just simply open the notification setting into here, and after opening the notification setting, find out the WhatsApp application into here. And after finding out, just simply click into WhatsApp application and open this toggle for allow notification. And after opening the notification, you can also customize the what kind of notification you want to enable or what kind of notification you would like to disable. And after doing this, your WhatsApp notification will start to pop up again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.